How to use TikTok emoji slider feature on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's start by opening our Instagram application. Once you are here, you have to start by creating your story. You can either choose a photo from your gallery or you can simply make a photo. Once you are done, you have to simply slide up, or you can also go with the sticker on the top, and you have to select for this emoji slider. Once you are here, this message will pop up where you can now type your own message. Once you are done, you can now change your emojis of your own choice, or you can also choose furthermore emojis by sliding it to the left side. Once you are done selecting the emoji, the last thing you can do is change the color of this board by simply clicking on this color wheel on the top. So once you are done with selecting this, you can now simply post it on your story. So that's how basically you can use TikTok emojis slider feature.